must settle me. Heaven knows that you must settle me today.
Why won't he settle you? He has to settle you.
I will not settle you. I will not settle you. I will settle you. If you like, both of you should break the sky. If you like, dig the ground. I am not going to do anything. What I have said is what I have said. Is that lie? Papa, you lie. I swear you lie. You must settle me. You settled my brother Gochuku. Why would you settle me? You settled him. Why would you deny me my right? Why would you settle me? No, why would you settle me?
Shut up! You don't talk to your father like that.
Shut him up. You have no right to shut my son up. What is your own problem? Oh, you think I don't know your plan? I know your plan. Manachelo, I don't have your time now. I will get back to you.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You know why? They have settled your own son and he's doing good. So Lechaba is not your fault. But Papa, listen and listen real good. I swear, if you don't settle me, I will burn down this house. No. I'm going to burn down the house. Okay. Burn down the house, okay. I have told you many times, I am not going to give you a dime again. I sent you to school, to the university to learn. What did I get in return? Cultism. That's what you went to do in Calabar. Cultism. Look at Chekube, your brother. He will soon be back from school as a graduate. What about you? A school dropout. Forget that thing, father. Forget it. Ugochukwu, my brother, you sent him to school. After sending him to school, you still settled him. Why will my case be different? Why will my case be different? Yes. His case is different because when he went to the university, he brought back results. You didn't come back with results. And you're asking me why it should be different. I am not going to settle you. If you like, die. You are deviating from the point. That's not the point. The point is settle me. Okay, because I made a little mistake in school. Thank God, I can say, he can't rap in school. He can't rap in school. I swear, now I am Makachuku. If you don't settle me, I'll burn down this house. If you don't settle me, Mabuno, burn it down. I will burn it down. Okay, no problem. Burn that one. You can make that one. Certificate.
Don't give him any money.
I won't give him anything.
I'll give it to
Go and do grand. It's not possible. I will not take this. I swear, if Papa doesn't settle me, I will do something that will make the whole world scream. Can you imagine? If Papa does not settle me, I will do something that the whole world will hear and scream. In fact, CNN, here we come.
Can you imagine? I said, calm down. Your father will settle you. He must settle you. He must.
Who started this? Huh? Brother Gozie, why can't you allow Papa to settle you at his own time?
Will you shut up before I condemn your face? You don't know anything here. What do you know that is happening? What do you know? Papa does not want to settle me. It is obvious.
Brother, it's a lie. Why won't he settle you? He has to settle you the way he settled Ugochukwu. After all, you are his son too.
That woman is evil. Do you know that she is the one discouraging your father from settling your brother? So that only her son will be worshipped and respected in this family. She has failed.
I don't have her time yet because her own is so very couple. Her own is just a minor case. I don't have her time yet. But the truth is this, if Papa does not settle me, I'm saying it, I swear, if this man do not settle me, nobody will have peace in this house.
Wait. Brother, did Papa actually open his mouth to tell you that he will not settle you?
Yes, sir. He said so, but I made him to understand that it is not possible. Yes.
No, he got it wrong. He has to settle you.
Nobody will rest. Read my lips. Nobody will rest in this family until Papa settles me. Simple something settle me. He keeps reminding me that I'm a school dropout. Am I the only dropout? Am I the only dropout? My fellow number dropout.
Why? Can you even meloge no na? Can you even meloge? Why do you have to stop our husband from settling my son? Why?
Bia, Umenwa, I do not have time for your trouble this morning. As you can see, I am very busy at the moment.
Uwama, this trouble you are inviting in this family, when it will start, you will not like it, oh. You will not like it.
Anyhow you want it, Umenwa, I will give it to you.
Are you feeling?
Yes. Eh? Umemwa. Ask it. Enough. This one, yeah. You! Put that! Go get the guy. Yes, you! Come in! Where are you running?
Have the whole luck on this earth that I wasn't around. How could you do such a thing? How could you? What even gave you the guts? The food my wife was cooking for me, you kicked it down, and then not only that, you engaged her in a fight?
Nani, it's not because I'm keeping quiet. Just go and give me back the money I used in buying those things.
That's exactly what she should do.
Abia.
That's exactly what she should do.
Abia.
You heard her. Go inside now, go and get her money.
Nine. Which money? What money, Nine? What happens to my clothes on the ground? Who will pay for it?
Business.
Okay.
That's your business. It's your business. Just go inside now, go and get her money.
Naya, don't think that I'm keeping quiet. Don't just think that I don't know what to do. I'm just respecting our husband. If not, what are
you waiting for? Come and do it now. Come and do it. Look, I am warning you in this house. There is nothing, whatever you can do, anything you want in this family, I will give it to you. To hell!
You are the one that will go to hell.
You will go to hell.
You will go to
hell. And your children will go to hell.
Generation will go to
Please, don't stop pointing at my mother.
Yes.
Are you mad? Let me be this.
Try it.
Are you mad?
Don't touch me, I'm just respecting you.
Come on. Shut your mouth there. Come on.
Are you mad?
Get away from
I'm
me.
just respecting.
Come on, go.
I'm just respecting.
Come on, get away from
What can you do?
Don't touch my daughter.
And you
Don't touch my daughter.
and you
And you.
You know me.
You're pushing me to the wall. You're pushing me to the wall. No. And when I bounce back, you will not like my reaction. Peace, Agwala, Tagim Mao. Telling you, get inside.
Why am I mad?
You cannot do it. No, don't do anything.
Ifonye metalo bulu isikote bune abaya eberade. A good child is a thing of joy, pride and happiness for the family. Respecting papa, buy fine things for mama. Mbobu no na nata, ife no kona butu one more for ma. Mane more for ma. Wani ine na like mane mofuma mwana bambo mwane miti up obi uta papa na mama mane mofuma wani ine na like mane mofuma mwana bambo mwane miti up
Mama oh, you Mama, hey!
Enough, my son. Look at you.
Hey, my son is back.
Oh, wait a minute.
My son is back. Oh, you leave me
Ada, tell Wadi to advise her brother Agozie. I don't like the way he behaves towards their father.
See, IJ, the man should just settle Agozie. Let him settle the boy.
How would the man settle him with the troubles he makes?
Once he settles him, all these troubles will end. Who likes trouble? Eh?
Why are you supporting Agozie?
IJ, don't get me wrong. I support justice, not Agozie. Agozie is also his biological son, isn't it? So, he should settle Agozie just the same way he settled Ugochukwu. See, That boy is angry. He's angry. It's not fair.
Anyway, you have a point. But Agozie still has to take things easy. When are you going back to school?
My dear, I told you we're on strike. Hi.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. That means you're still around for the meantime, right?
I dey here, oh. Now here I dey. I'm so tired of this village. I'm so tired. Hey, I don't know, your own better, eh? You're going back to school. Hey.
See you. When they find strike, you get strike, you misbehave. I want my school to go on strike.
They are
giving you chance
please, don't be like me. Or let me, I know you want to run along.
I'm late already.
All right.
Later.
See, I'll call you.
Okay, bye.
Safe journey. Bye-bye. Okay.
Calm down.
Mama, don't tell me to calm down. Stop asking me to calm down. What has Agozie's settlement got to do with you? Why would Agozie's mother do a thing like that to the extent that when you did not even fear to touch you? Why?
Go on. Iwe, Delia. But I want you to calm down. Because I've already resolved the matter before you came back here. I even warned the woman that if such a thing should repeat itself again in this house, I will send her back in. I will send her back to her parents, even if it is by express mail.
Even at that, Papa. Even at that, what you thought will explain to me. She will tell me what gave her the guts to as much as come close to my mother.
No, Zubby. Oh, please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down because I'm in fact. In our kitty, if I name maybe let him calm down.
Calm down. Like your father said, he has resolved the case. He even told the woman to pay for my bills that she spilled. Huh? It's okay,
What rubbish!
I'm not hungry.
Mama, Agozie, Papa said I should call you people.
What for?
I don't know.
I'm not going anywhere.
No. We will go. God has returned. Let's go and see what he has for us.
Mama, I am not going anywhere. If there is something they want to discuss, they should come here.
Brother Agozie, let's go. Let it not look as if we are afraid of them.
Afraid?
Yes.
Do I look afraid? Afraid of who? Ugochukwu is just a premature tolo. I'm not going anywhere. If they want to discuss anything, they should come here. Ojugo Micheal. Ojugo Micheal. Huh? Let's go. Mama, we should go. Let's go there.
I will pretend as though nothing happened. But the next time you exchange words with my mother, not to talk of touching her, you will see the other side of me.
Obrogwa just touching.
Respect yourself.
And as for you, Agozie, I can see your madness has started again. But if you're not careful, I will take care of you the way you want.
Don't shut up, you premature tolo. Papa, is this why you called us?
Shut that your violent field gutter.
Papa, if you don't settle me, I will burn down this house, this carton, including you. Mamu and Choco.
Get ready to face the consequences when I start with you.
I will fight you and kill you.
Agozie, you cannot fight me.
You will fight yourself and kill yourself.
Your son will fight himself and kill himself.
Mama Onyala.
Your son will kill himself.
My son will fight you and kill you.
If I thought you will die.
Come now, come and fight. Come and fight.
Hey!
Come and fight. Mami,
No, Mama, don't tell me that. Listen, if Ugochukwu tries me, the thunder that will fire him is doing somersault. Who the hell does he think he is? No, who the hell does he think he is? Eh? If this man had settled me, can he compete with me in business? Can he?
For where?
Don't mind Brother Ugochukwu. He thinks he's God because he has more money.
Which money? Ojego? Can Ugochukwu write a check of 100 million without it bouncing? Oji 1 naira. Oga bounce. Oji 1 naira.
He cannot even buy a G-Wagon. Nothing.
Okay.
Oh, hey. Ugochukwu failed it, really. He ought to have asked you what happened before interfering.
My sister, don't mind him. You know he has money. Whatever he says happens in the house.
Money is not everything, no. Money is not everything.
Money is everything in our family. If not, why would Papa not settle Agozie and turn his back on us? Focused only on Mama Ugochukwu and her children. Is it not because of money?
Ugochukwu isn't trying at all. Even as the first child, he's...
My sister, immediately they called him on phone. He came back to kill all of us.
Hey!
Yes!
Kill. Oh, Chim. Anyway, please, you people should take it easy on what you talk. Biko, take it easy.
We don't want problems. We don't want problems, eh? From the look of things, Ugochukwu is ready for it. And I think he's planning something.
Something. Has he come back?
I don't know. I'm not too sure. When I was coming, I saw his car.
Brother Go, Biko, you are the first issue in this family.
Yes?
And if your father is no more, you are the head.
I know that.
In this kindred, you're one of my best uncles amongst others. And that is why I'm telling you this, because I like you. Please, Brother Go, handle this matter with wisdom.
Ada, you know why I like you? You are very intelligent. You are wise. You are even more intelligent than my sister Nwajuto. I've heard what you said, but I want to ask you one question, one very pertinent question. If my mother offends you, would you touch her?
No.
I want you to answer sincerely.
No, because she's my mother.
Thank you. Do you know that Nwajuto touched my mother?
Yes, Brother Go. And I blamed her for that.
It's all right. Thank you. For you to have even thought of coming to talk to me about this means you have a good heart. I have heard you and I will do as you have said. I just wanted to teach them a lesson, that's all.
I will talk to them, I promise.
It's all good.
Thank you, Brother Go. Thank you. Thank you. I think that's...
Not really exactly now, but tomorrow.
Okay. Let me look another time.
See me before I go.
Thank you, Brother Go. Thank you.
It's even mad.
Hello, Wadi. Okay, Kwan. Wadi, please, I'm so sorry I couldn't see you before I left. Yeah, I'm so sorry, please. Yeah. Hey, Wadi, please, I want you to advise your brother Agozie. There's no way he can achieve what he wants through violence. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, my trip was good. And you, how are you doing? Alright. Take care. Bye. I love you.
Babe, who is that?
My cousin. The elder brother is having problem with your father.
their father. Hey, father and son.
But people, wait, you mean to tell me that you did not cook anything? Like you did not prepare anything?
He's talking about food. I want to eat too. I'm hungry. Look at this one.
Baby, you're mad though.
Me?
No, I should prepare something for you. I'm just coming back from the village.
And you expect me, your cook, to cook for you? Look at this one.
You lazy. No be wife material at all.
So 1,500 blocks will do.
Yes, Papa, that's what I can afford for now.
Okay, that's right. You just start gradually. I'm not hungry. Madito, take it back.
Papa, you're not hungry.
I said this, I'm not hungry. Take it back.
It's rice and stew.
What part of this statement don't you understand? The I am not or the hungry. Take it back.
It's rice.
Manager, I said take the food back.
What happened now? Why did you bring back the food?
Papa said he's not hungry.
Your father said he's not hungry.
Yes.
Who are there with him?
Only we.
So, this case has gotten to the same stand, huh?
So you will need 2 trips of sand too.
Yes, I already told him to bring it.
So that's it. Since you trust my life.
Because I didn't bring the food myself.
I told her I am not. It's not a question of who brought the food or who did bring the food.
How can you not be hungry now? I'm not eating food today.
So, what's the meaning of that? Do you now have a monitoring spirit? I already told her I'm not hungry because I am not hungry. You're here asking me silly questions. I already told her I'm not hungry.
What is happening here?
It is Papa and his concubine.
It's your mama that is concubine.
Nabu punum poison.
Put your food here.
Thank you. My because eat. Eat. Nine. What is this now? Hey, no, I won't take this one. No. Oh!
Sit up.
Hey, Chinamo!
You take your food and get out of here.
She has to pay for this food, though.
Can you imagine?
She has to pay for this food.
I will pay for it, don't worry.
No!
What have I done? What have I done? Why will your father refuse to eat my food? Why?
Don't allow this to stress you, okay? Whether you eat your food or not, don't allow it to bother you.
Which food? Huh? So, Papa refused to settle me and you are still giving him food. You have time. Jokonya ala kongo.
Please tell me, this is a punishment.
Bianwokim, what are you doing here?
Don't I have the right to come into my father's house? Don't I?
You do not have a right to come into this living room because it belongs to me. You have yours.
Papa, so you shared your property without telling me?
What do you want here?
What do I want? Is this not my father's house? Huh? Is this not my father's house? Can you tell what do I want here? Huh?
Agozie, get out.
I'm not going anywhere.
I say leave this place.
Papa, I am not going anywhere.
You heard my father. Leave here.
Thunder, eh? Uncensored one. Fire.
If I get up from this place, I'm going to kill you.
What are you waiting for? Stand up.
I am going to
stand up now. What are you waiting for? Stand up.
Get out of this place. Stop it. Tell this guy to leave. Agozie.
Is this not my father's house?
Get out of this place.
Is this not my father's house?
I will kill you and bury you and nobody will do anything about it anytime you touch my mother.
Shut up, Tolo Tolo. I will do it again and again if she comes.
Try me. One, you heard him, Papa. I will kill this boy and when if again.
Yeah, Agozie. Don't think I don't know what I will do to you. Don't mistake the gentle strides of a lion for cowardice. Anytime you touch anybody in this compound, I will tell you that I am your father.
Papa Ibo so you are just speaking English. Nobody will rest until you settle me. Why won't you settle me? Am I the only school dropout? I am good now dropout.
I was settled to him now. Settle Agozie the same we settled his brother Ugochukwu. Two of them are your sons.
Dear, Umenwa, why are you doing this to your son?
No, leave her. Leave her and let her continue. Continue, I'm listening to you. Blabbing. Continue. Leave her. Very soon, you will be the one who will stand to lose. By that time, it would have been too late.
I stand to lose nothing. Settle my son, so we settle his brother. Two of them are your sons.
Then let him be reasonable. Let him be reasonable. If not, he's not getting a dime from me.
Hey, Papa, this is wickedness. His character has nothing to do with the settlement. Yes, just settle him. Whatever he wants to do with his money, let him do it. It's none of your business.
Don't shut that your mouth.
Here.
I'm beginning to think that your brain is as porous as that of your brother. Who has that kind of money that he's going to lavish?
No, don't mind her.
It's easy to make money.
Don't mind her. Very soon, you will see what you have done with your own self.
Nobody will rest until you settle me. Nobody will rest until you settle me.
I will kill him and bury him and nothing will happen.
My family.
Try again. Mama,
always pray.
Papa! Come out! Go in and listen.
That's Agozie's voice.
Is that Agozie?
Papa must settle me. Papa must settle me. Amuluzwa. Papa,
so I told them the number of blocks I might need.
Okay.
Hey! Agozie!
Agozie did what?
Hey! He's holding a cutlass.
What cutlass?
No.
What is it? Is it not Agozie?
You see why I say you're very stubborn? I just told you that somebody is outside, waiting to cut off your head with a machete, and you want to go outside.
Are we going to be afraid of Agozie?
Papa, wait. But just take it. I don't know what the problem is.
Go where? Go where?
Mama?
Uncle be in jail.
Go back. Go. What you want me to see?
I have to go know what is.
Go. Why would Papa settle me? Huh?
Hey,
am I the only dropout?
Agozie, please. Hey.
What's the problem? You are not my problem. You are not my problem.
What then is
is your problem? Why are you having a knife and screaming?
Tell Papa to come out, then you will know who my problem is. Tell Papa to come out, then you will know who my problem is. Why would this settle me? Why?
Agose, do not push me to the wall.
You are a premature tolo. Yes.
Don't push me, Agose, do not push me.
I will cut you. Mebegisi. Mebego, I will cut you. Ojugo mi si. Mebegisi. I will cut. Ojugo mi si. Negi nesuya. I will. Ojugo mi si. I will cut you. I go see. Okay. Leave me alone.
Let today be the first and the last you do this nonsense to your father. Do you think if you kill him, you go scot-free? Or do you think you achieve your settlement by violence?
Agozi, what Mama is saying is the truth. If anything should happen to Papa, you won't be standing here talking about settlement. You end up in jail.
It's better. It's better to end up in jail than to live without money. Are you hearing me? I'm running out of patience.
Whether you are running out of patience or not, let today be the last day you will raise cutlass on your father.
Then tell Papa to settle me now. Stop this. Tell him to settle me.
Brother Agozi, please, Bikonu, listen to Mama. All she's saying is true, Mother.
Where's this dog?
What Agozi is doing? Go fire.
Papa, please. I beg you both in God's name. Run for your lives each time that boy approaches. You know, he's not with his senses.
So I should run away from my own house because of Agose. Agose is my son. But tell me, for how long am I going to continue to run?
Papa, don't see it that way. Agose is a drug man. He smokes Igbo. And you know people who smoke Igbo, they act insane. Please. I don't want to be called back home because of this again.
God forbid. Nothing is happening. If he tries anything like that again, he will just kill himself.
Mana, Bikonu, be careful. Biko. Oh? And if anything comes up, don't hesitate to let me know. Biko.
Nothing is going to come up again. Nothing. It's not possible.
Mama, I'll keep in touch, yeah?
Ada? I love this food though.
Do you want more?
No, I'm okay. It's very sweet.
Okay.
Hi.
Agozi. I called you.
Okay.
It's actually because of the case you have with your father. You don't need to take it by violence. He's your father and I believe he knows his responsibilities.
Ada, I know my father very well. He's not a man you should handle with kid's glove. He's a very stubborn man.
But you shouldn't make troubles about it.
Even the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and only the violence taketh it by force.
Me, I believe he will settle you. I believe it. Just calm down.
This is my problem. Not he will. When? Why not now? I don't have time. Why not now?
Do you know what? Don't worry. When my father returns, I will tell him to come talk to you.
Better. Your father should tell my father to settle me. What are you telling me? Eh? Am I supposed to beg my own father to settle me? Eh? Am I not his responsibility? Why would he settle me? Please don't tell him to calm down. He keeps saying I'm a school dropout. Am I the only school dropout? I am a school dropout. Eh? Look at ordinary Gochuku. Each time he comes back, he will be forming what I don't know. Just because he's doing good. Now look at me.
What is it? Leave me alone now, Jose. Leave me alone. What's wrong with you?
Papa, what you got me see? You must settle me today.
Yes. I'm not sending my car.
Settle me. You will settle me today. You must settle me today. Leave me alone.
Please now. Leave Papa alone.
Settle me.
For what?
Why would you settle me? Am I not your son?
Leave my car.
You settle me.
You see what your brother
Settle me.
You see what your brother Come on, leave me alone. I'll stone you. I'll stone you.
Don't
stone you.
Settle me now.
I should settle you.
Yes.
Settle you for what?
Settle me. Am I not your son? Am I not your blood? You settle to go to. Why would you settle me? Settle me. What you want me to do?
Leave my car.
You are not going anywhere. I said you must settle me today. Settle me. What you want me to settle me? I need to give my life a meaning. Settle me.
Agose,
Settle
please
me.
now.
What you want me to say?
Leave him now. Agose, please now. Leave him alone. You injure him. Don't tell me that.
You're not going anywhere. You must settle me. I don't know what you want me to see. You must settle me.
Please, follow me. Officers, follow me. Follow me. Where are they? You go. Where's your brother? Where's your brother?
Papa, what are you doing?
Where's your son? Where's your son? Where's your son? Officers, that's him. Take him.
Young man, you are under arrest.
For what?
You want to arrest my son? What did he do?
Officers, don't tell you with you. Arrest this man.
You have every right to remain silent because whatever you say here will be used against you.
My friend, shut up. Are you police?
I move now, my friend.
Papa, it will make it down.
Yes.
Oh wait, you called the police for me.
What? Move them to Yankuna police station.
What you go missing? Papa, no, wait. Let's go.
Let's go.
Mama, why would Papa do a thing like this? What has come over him?
What annoys me most is what he said. That Agose cannot be granted bail until he says so. Can you imagine? My own Agose. No, not possible. Not possible. Agose must come back. Oh, yeah.
Then what I'm going to do?
Nice. Welcome, sir.
What is happening?
My husband had Agozie arrested.
Which Agozie?
Wasn't my son now? Do we have any other Agozie in this compound?
Arrested? Why?
Who knows? Why would a father arrest his own son? Although they had problems.
Problems?
No. There was no quarrel, man. Cha, no quarrel. Just normal father and son joke. He took it so high just because he has normal natural hatred on him.
Where is Agozie now?
He's at the police station. He says he should not be granted bail until he says so.
What sort of father and son joke was that?
No, nothing. Agozie just asked the father to settle him. Just the same way he settled his brother, Ugochukwu. That's all.
Settlement again. Okay. I'll make a time to see Anicha.
Try and see him, for quiet. Try and see him, Biko. See him.
Leave my trousers alone. Leave my trousers. I will break your head with this, I'll break your head.
No, break it. What are you doing for now?
Mafia, you break this.
I'm not going to leave you to bring my son from the police station. You must go and bring my son.
Leave my trousers.
What's the meaning of this?
Is he not your husband?
Oh! He is not my husband.
Yes, your husband. Your husband. Yes, your husband. Time to go and leave my son, because I'm not seeing where a father took his son to all this before.
He cannot call you Eli.
No, I'm not going to leave you.
I know say it's my son. He's my son. And I will tell the police to do anything I want to him.
Now you're not. Because it's not my son too.
Joy. She has been holding my trousers like this since. Come on, leave my trousers. Come on, leave my trousers. Leave my trousers, come on. I said leave my trousers.
Leave him, I said leave him.
Grab my trousers, leave him. Come on, leave me. If you had not left me, you have seen something. Let me tell you, you think I cannot beat you? If you try this thing next time,
Papa, go and release Agozie.
You try this
Are you mad?
you see what we
No,
have.
are you mad? No, you don't hold me. Let nobody hold me. Let nobody hold me. I'll beat this woman. I'll beat you. Nonsense.
If you had not left my
Why did you even leave her to hold you like that? Eh? What kind of a thing you send me? Okay, send me.
How can a man be so wicked and arrest his own son? Also refuse to grant him bail.
Sell. Hey. It's okay, Wadito. My father will talk to him, okay? And Agozie will be released on bail.
He has the money. I don't know why he doesn't want to settle Agozie. He just been so wicked. So wicked.
Wadito, it's okay. It's okay. In all honesty, I'm dumbfounded. I don't know what has gotten over him. It's okay.
I'm tired of all this problem every day. I'm tired.
Every day.
Naomi, honestly, I can't do what you are asking me to do.
Anicha, Biko. Agozie is your son. If anything happens to him there, he will still be affected.
Nai, it can never affect me. Never. If they like, let them kill me.
My own son. God forbid. What will happen to my son? Nothing, no.
Fine. Then let him remain there until he realizes that I am his father and that two captains can never be in one ship.
He must have learned his lesson by now.
Please do me this favor by
accepting that he will be released. Please. Please. Please.
Papa, how did it go?
It went well. It went well. If not because today is Sunday, Agoze would have been released today.
So, he has accepted Agoze be released on bail?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. But when he comes back, I will personally see him and talk to him.
Talk to him about what, Papa?
On this issue, he should calm down. He should calm down. Calm down a little.
Papa?
Yes?
If there's anybody who should be advised, that person is Papa Ugochukwu.
Why?
Papa, once he settles him, all these fights and drama will end. Hey, Onwonye chodoro in alog every time. Eh?
Wow. But Agoze should first of all calm down. He should calm down and be obedient and humble to his father. And the Bible say, "Nyangwewu runatani, onwaniala." He should calm down and be obedient.
Papa, you know that boy is a young boy and he needs to start something. At least start up a business. This is not good.
If he's right.
Babe, this one you're like this. What happened? Are you okay?
I'm fine. You know that my cousin I told you is having a problem with his father.
Your cousin? And what about him?
His father had him arrested.
Had him arrested?
Yeah.
What kind of father is that?
I don't know, honestly.
And is that why you are like this? When I walk in, I thought that something bad happened to you.
I don't know, honestly.
Shut up, babe. His father will bear him.
I know. But my problem is, what could make a father arrest his own son?
My dear, you will be proud since he's the father that arrested him. Just rest your mind. Don't bother yourself.
Ifonye metalo bulu, isikote bune obaya, ebera digi ya cha-cha. Ifonye metalo bulu, ifonye metalo tafufuya, ebera digi ya cha-cha. Ifonye metalo bulu.
What? Did your father actually tell this to the police?
Yes. He told them that I'm a criminal and had attempted to kill him. That was why I signed the undertaking.
Huh? Brother Agoze, why did Papa do that?
I don't know. But I said something before the police. That I signed that undertaking doesn't stop Papa from settling me. I said it before the police.
What did they say?
They asked him to settle me now.
Good. What did they say?
He said he doesn't have any money to settle a criminal like me.
Hey! Did your father say this to the police?
Oh yes!
Hey! Oh! Don't worry. He has not seen anything yet. Banana!
Brother Agoze, why is it that Papa does not want to settle you?
Oh! Don't worry. A woman has poisoned his mind. She has poisoned his mind. But don't worry. We shall see. Banana! We shall see.
Uwama or Wajo, I don't want to know. What I'm saying is that Papa must settle me. Papa must settle me. Ojugo mi si o. Ojugo mi si. I've heard it up to here. Ojugo mi si. Papa's... Okay.
Hey! Don't worry. Leave it to me.
What do you talk, my dear sister?
What you don't want to greet your big brother? Organism. It is me or it's your big brother. This is not how you greet me. Organism. How are you now? Okay, Kime? Huh? Is this not how you greet your big brother?
Namo!
Mama di mama!
Namo!
Mama di mama!
Shansa!
Atwaya! Sean! Atwaya! Mommy mo!
Mama can win.
You're looking so beautiful.
Nane can pass.
Yeah. Mama, how is Papa now?
Papa is fine though. He just stepped out. Let me go and call him. He went to his
Mama rapio ko ga bata no bata kai Baba.
Akwade.
Yes, Mama.
Oh,
yes,
Mama.
Mama. Mama, wait. What is it with Waduto? I just greeted her. She gave me this long face.
Forget those people. The story is very long. Oh, don't worry. Come in and freshen up. Not a Lisa no nino.
Mommy, yebum. Odi alo mommy. Abu kapute.
Namo.
Mommy.
Sean wa.
Atwaya. Mama di mama. Mama di mama. So, Mama, what was the meaning of the look Waduto gave me?
There is a problem, but I don't want that to bother you. No? I will tell you everything later.
Mama, I'm already bothered. My own sister cannot be giving me that kind of face. Eh? Mama, let me understand. Bikono.
Hey! Agoze fought your father.
Mama, Agoze did what?
He fought your father, and your father had him arrested.
Mama, Agoze about Nofia. Yeah? Only Abu bushmeat. Mama, why would he have to fight Papa?
That your father should settle him. And your father told him that he doesn't have money.
I thought he had stopped this madness.
Eh?
Okay? Eh. Mama, is brother Gochuku aware of this?
I told your father not to let him know. But the way it is right now, I don't think we will continue to hide it from him. Because Agoze said that it is not yet over.
Mama, I am thinking Papa should just settle Agoze. Papa should just settle him so we can all have peace in this family.
Your father is not happy with him because of the money he wasted in the university.
Mama Rapehawa, we all know about that. But we cannot continue having this fight in this family, this war in this family. Mama, let him settle him and he can take away his mind from Agoze. To avoid this is madness.
So, Chelo. Because he is mad, we should all run away, okay?
Mama, no karoma. You and I are not mad people. We are not all mad in this family. He's the only mad one. We don't have to all be mad at the same time.
Hold on first. Wait, because there's one thing I don't even understand. Settle him. Obalon na boy. Kato settlement.
Ugo. I can't believe that the government has finally agreed to pay us for the contracts.
Okay, this our new governor is awesome. Honestly, when I got the news, I was like, wow. To think I was planning to go get a loan from the bank and invest in my business.
Ugo, listen, let me tell you. As soon as I get this money, PM Asaba, I will start building my house immediately.
As soon as I get an alert on my phone, I am rushing to push this money into that proposal I told you about. I know it will yield. Finally, a breath of fresh air.
Your father has every right to settle him. Agoze is also his biological son, just as Ugoju. Oh. My dear, I don't blame the boy. At all. I don't blame him. My sister, God bless somebody like you. Every other person is saying that Agoze is not right of what he's doing. Don't mind them. Enemies of progress. Ndi jealousy. Don't mind them. The man in question is his father. So, he's ought to settle him. My sister, God bless you. Our enemies will live to see my father settle his son. Amen. And they will live to see my brother progress in Jesus' name. Amen. Yes, whether they like it or not.
Amen. 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 My dear, anybody who doesn't want another person's progress will not progress too.
Amen.
God will take it away from them, but
they will not live to see peace because they don't want our progress. God bless you.
What is it?
Nah, isn't they bust my head? I wanna my own command where morale. I'm not able to deliver. We're told to make it down.
That man fuck up, bro.
My popsy call a job for me. She carry me go and come by.
You see that your popsy, eh? That guy just in the worry that your papa, eh? That man a very stupid man. If I dey look am eye, I dey see Johnson for him face.
Na Johnson Jew man now.
That man na Jew man.
If I forgive am, make I die. No possible. Told me make it down, but maybe you go now. What possible? Get by you go. I never know what I want to do. What possible? At the beer, no joy you. That your papa the F so much. I go look you finish. You will be son. You go carry liver, gather liver finish. Come they call a K for you. Told get a down. And you know they happen. No joy.
For better.
What did I go do? What did I do? I never know what. Man, maybe you go. I don't go forgive them. What's not possible?
I go.
Huh?
You know what's going to happen there? Huh? Come, make I tell you if I get me.
Confirm.
Yes.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Papa, what you gonna miss you? What you gonna miss? Papa, sign this agreement. If you don't sign this agreement, me and you will stay here for 30 years. No food, no water. What you gonna miss you?
I go say, Oju BC Patoyena. I'm not going to sign any agreement with you. No!
Okay.
I go say, even if you like, let us stay here for 100 years. I am not saying anything.
Papa, if you don't sign this agreement, I swear I will stab you to death here. Mama Bugeba.
Yeah, push Peter! Me pausa! Agozie, me pausa!
Hi, Agozie biko na Agozie me be no so biko tie na Agozie.
Agozie, can't you hear your mother calling you? Open the door now, eh?
I will not open this door until he signs this agreement.
Chineke, Bia Agozie, I am giving you 1 minute. 1 minute to open this door or I break it down. I don't open the gate.
You are a black idiot, Shekube.
You
are a black idiot. If you open this door, I will stab this man to death. Try me and see. No, come in.
Agozie, nobody is breaking the door. Biko no, eh? Leave him now. Nai, Papu go. Sign it now and come out.
I will not sign it. Let Agozie do his worst. Let him do his worst. If I meta, I'm not signing anything.
If you don't sign this agreement, Papa, me and you will stay here for 30 years and then Mama, I will kill you here. I will kill you here.
I'm not going to sign it. You have knife in your hand. Stab me, let us see. Then it will go down in the Guinness Book of Records that a son stabbed his father.
Mama, I told you. Mama, leave me. Mama, leave me alone. Let me break down this door. Mama, let me break down this door. I don't know what to do. Instead of
Rap. Leave Agozie. You know he's a madman.
Who's a madman?
Are you mad?
Don't even start it.
It's you that is mad. It is you that is mad.
Don't even try it. See, I'm not to make what is right. Let them do it as them out the trouble. What is all this now?
I know you're the pillar behind this.
What about? She's not the pillar behind anything.
Will you shut up?
Otherwise, this.
Otherwise, you want pass.
Otherwise, you stop.
Bad woman, action one.
You must sign this paper. Papa, you must underline must. You must sign this agreement. Yeah, sign there. Why would you say to me?
You can't do more than you get that.
Okay.
Thank God you're here. Hi. What's the
Again, what is happening in this family?
Thank God you're here. Agozie said that my husband will not come out of the house again.
Makagini? Makagini?
Who is that? Who is that?
Anisebe, don't you recognize my voice again? What is happening here?
Oh, ask Ibo. Ask Agozie. Agozie was a woman. He's a big man now. He said I will not leave this house.
It's a lie, yo. He refused to sign this agreement, and I will not open this door until he signs this agreement.
What is the agreement for? What is the agreement for?
For my settlement. Yes.
Okay. Open the door first. Open the door first. He will sign the agreement.
No. Let him sign it. I will open the door.
Anichebe. Sign the agreement and come out first.
I'm not going to sign anything. I will not sign anything. Anything Agozie wants to do, let him do. I will not sign anything.
Now you see? Now just go home and rest. My father does not want to settle me, but I know how to handle his time. He will not leave this place until he signs this agreement. What he will call the police. I am used to police.
You will go to the cell.
I got to say.
Agozie Ijenga.
Okay.
Ijenga, you will go to cell.
Can you help me to see Totina this family?
He should just sign the papers now.
Shut up! For what? Utocha?
Let you go see so. Utocha. Idikeh aja. If he na check amanu akarabaza. You should just sign it now.
My friend, what is your problem?
Ichi, I'm sorry. It's just that small guests like her cannot be talking when her elders are discussing very serious issues. Ina chaka afwan. Wele ka juwalaba.
She has the right to talk.
If you want to check out, come on, Lucia. If you want to check out,
it's okay. Anichebe.
If you like blab all day, I will not open this door till he signs this agreement.
I'm here with you.
Okay.
100 years.
Okay.
Mama, you know I'm just allowing him. I'm just allowing Agozie to do his work until I start. Agozie, you know I'm just allowing you up, yeah?
You people can blab for all day, but I swear I will not open this door until he signs this agreement.
I'm not going to sign anything.
I can say. You must settle me.
Okay, I'm just about to get it. Okay, Nadia, it's all right. Take your time. Because I'm a responsible man. Or because I'm learned and I'm responsible. Why get in I allocate out? Mama, you know.
Let me tell you something in case of next time. Because if you talk to me the way you did the other day in your house, I swear to God, Idiot.
Hey! Usopolo Anna go. So Ada, this is why you stopped me. Will come here talking to you. You think after talking to me, you walk out of me alone? Are you mad? Alone, Boogie. Let me warn you, if you ever try to disrespect me like that again, I will deal with you. What nonsense?
See, let me tell you something. Be careful. Be careful with the way you talk to me. Because I'm not the one who brought trouble to your house.
Hey.
The money is getting to you.
You want to see respect. If not that, I'll be very, very... Not that I would have just dealt with you now. Hey, if not that I'm learned and responsible now, yes! It's because I'm a very learned gentleman. Learned and responsible. That is why I can stand here and take this insult from you. I would have separated your head from your neck.
And let me warn you, just be very, very careful with me.
Hey!
Look at the man.
It's not wrong, bro.
Hey!
Next
time, if you talk
again,
I will show you.
Oh, bro, I'm going to be a gentleman. You know that I'm learned. If not that I'm a learned fellow, that I'm responsible, I would have dealt with you. Can you imagine this small girl? Eh?
Nayo Nibo, I invited you to this meeting.
You are welcome.
Thank you. I also heard you were present the day Agozie locked my father up in the house.
Yes, that is true. I was there. I was there. He was there.
I particularly invited you here because you are the eldest in this kindred, and it is said that Okenyada no. This man seated beside you is my father. He's not just Agozie's father. As a matter of fact, I am his first son.
Will you shut up? Go straight to the point. And I'm no more. Huh? Go straight to the point now.
Now, Micheal, keep quiet.
Don't tell me shut up. Don't tell me shut up.
Yeah, Agozie, bushmeat, Anofia, you will not see supple up here. How dare you speak to my elder brother like that?
Black idiot. Your case is not free. Mama, let's go. I hate insults. Let's go. Mama, let's go.
No, sit down. Let's hear them out.
Okay. Sit down.
No, I'm sorry for the rude interruption. Please continue.
I called this meeting because I want to make peace. I want us to have peace in this family. I want my father and my mother to enjoy their rest. In that light, I have decided to use my own resources to settle Agozie.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So you called me here to insult me. You want to settle me. Ezego. Now you listen. I don't need your money because you are a ritualist. You want to stain my destiny with your blood money. Tomorrow, I settled you. And as for you, Papa, if you don't settle me, I swear I will make life miserable for you, including everybody here. Ndala.
Yeah, I go there. Mami, I go there. Mama, queen affair. And my boy, the leaders are responsible. They're responsible. This is one. Hey!
This boy have to Elders, I have said this before and I'm saying it again. I don't need Ugochukwu's money because he is a ritualist. Oh, your widow. Besides, why is he insisting on giving me money? Why?
He is not insisting on giving you money. Elders, what my son is doing is for peace to reign.
We all know that your son is a peacemaker, but we don't want his money. Let our husband settle my son the same way he settled your son. Okubie.
Elders, you have all heard with your ears and seen with your eyes. All I wanted to do was render help to my own brother, so we would have peace. Now I have been tagged a ritualist. No problem. But I want to make this point clear to Agozie here and his mother. This man is my father. His health, his comfort, his peace of mind, his well-being are all my priorities. Therefore, if anything happens to him, I won't take it lightly with these two characters.
You lie, Tolo. You lie.
Keep quiet. At least for 1 minute. Keep quiet.
No, don't tell me quiet.
Quiet.
Tell him to shut up because it's not making any sense. I want to call more now.
Agozie, you and Ugochukwu should let us have peace. Let us have peace. And listen, Agozie, listen very well. I can understand that everything about you is trouble. And it doesn't say well about you.
No, my son doesn't want trouble at all. There's fact in what he said.
What is the fact?
The fact is that Ugochukwu is a ritualist and we don't want his money. Period.
Keep quiet, woman. Keep quiet. Woman, I'm beginning to understand that you are spoiling your son.
No, thank you.
Exactly.
You're instigating this trouble.
You see this boy here, Agozie? He's my son. I married his mother. You are where? You were there.
Yes.
You are where? You were there.
There.
And had this my son, Agozie, I want to state it categorically clear now before everybody that as a father, I have no other obligation. I don't owe Agozie anything. Huh? Yes.
You don't owe me anything.
Yes, I don't owe you. I sent you to school. I paid your school fees.
Mama, let's go.
Okay.
Mama, let's go.
Mama, let's go.
Okay, how anybody I can follow this boy? I can follow one over there.
I will soon send you packing. I'll send you to your parents very soon.
My daughter, this little boy called Agozie is obviously looking for trouble.
What happened again?
You see, Ugochukwu offered willingly to settle Agozie so that peace will reign in the family. And Agozie opened his stinking mouth to say that he doesn't want Ugochukwu's blood money.
Papa, there is something Agozie must have seen that makes him say Ugochukwu is a ritualist. Ugochukwu is a ritualist. There's something. Papa, can check here?
There is nothing except that the enmity has been created. That's all. That enmity between them. Carry on with responsibility. Ugochukwu is not a ritualist. It's not.
Papa, don't conclude yet. A lot of things are happening in this world, and I'm in a better position to tell you that.
Ugochukwu is a very hard-working young man, even when he was in school. So I can't see him involved in such a dirty and dubious activities.
In every rumor, there is an atom of truth. Agozie keeps saying this all the time. Papa, can check here very well. Can check here very, very well.
I told Anichebe, anytime Ugochukwu touches him again, to report it to Omona, so that we can handle it. Yes.
Papa, please, be very careful with the way you get involved in this matter. I'm even careful myself. I don't want them to see you as an obstacle. Please, be very careful.
What are you insinuating? What are you insinuating?
I'm just saying that this is a family issue. And you know, things could just turn around and it didn't get busy.
And what if I get men? Nothing.
Okay.
Ada.
Papa.
It's my food ready.
Yes, Papa. Papa, be careful.
And what if I get men?
Wow.
What if I get men? Nothing is happening.
Ugochukwu, haven't you done enough already? Chukwu Agozie says he doesn't need your money. I don't want your advice either.
I only came to talk to you because you're his mother, and I thought you would understand. Please, tell him I won't handle him like a brother if he keeps on going the way he does. He should stay away from Papa.
Tolo, do your worst. Do your worst and leave my mother out of this.
I don't have anything to talk to you about. Just stay away from Papa, because he won't like what will follow.
Hey, I'm tired of waiting. I am tired of waiting. Act. Act, let me see. I'm tired of waiting.
You won't need to be told when I've acted.
You are a coward, and I am not afraid of you.
Ugochukwu, it's quite obvious that you have something against us in mind this morning. Because to avoid trouble, just go. Naba.
No, Mama, leave him. Leave him, Mama. Let me tell you something. A child that says his father will not sleep will also not sleep. Nobody will rest in this family until Papa settles me.
Of course.
Now.
It is your right. All right, Yanono.
Ritualist. Papa must settle me. Don't mind him.
You do well, oh. They won't give you that blood money, make the thing vanish from your hand, Abi.
I know now. I know. No be juju, man. If I collect that money, Baba, it will vanish.
And when the money vanished, I was like, no, my idiot, my useless boy, he's so irresponsible. He no one use money well, saying not spend and finish. But now juju money.
I know say the time they give you that money, if you use them now, the money go vanish. But after they go say Ibonyembo.
Not me. I dey see now. I dey see now make me not collect that money.
Omo, I believe you, I trust you. No be the leave the boy alone.
Sayana, no be this. Leave the boy alone.
They won't try.
I dey wait. If you do anyhow, I swear, you see go to if you do anyhow, you go collect. As in, you go collect rapidly. No be shoot bird in muffler. You go collect well.
You see what go happen there? If anything happen and you need our help, one they just call us.
Help. My wife, you dey insult me. Only me that one man riot now. I don't need waiting to help again. I don't need help. I go run, I'm only me.
Be like say, no, say you na street boy. If you do anyhow, you go collect anyhow. No join now. No understand.
See, guy, I ain't Jesse. If I ain't Jesse, that guy no scores.
Oh, wow.
You should know that your brother is frustrated. You should be very careful the way you handle that guy. Have you forgotten the saying that goes to us? A hungry lion is an angry lion.
I don't care. I don't care what kind of lion he is. All I know is if he tries me again, if he does anything stupid again, I swear I'm going to kill him and use him for rituals.
Okay, what if he ends up killing you?
You know me very well. You talk like you don't know me. I'm just keeping quiet because of my parents and because I don't want them to have issues. It's not like I don't know what I'll do to that guy, okay?
I want to ask you something. Please tell me the truth. Why has your father refused to settle that guy?
Okay, why are you talking like this? I know my father very well. This man has trained this boy from primary school to university. But what did he do? He was just a vandal, vandalizing school properties, destroying things, making a nuisance of everything. What kind of a human being is this? Eh? Do you know that this guy was a cultist? He was a capone in school. Jesus Christ. I'm telling you the truth. He was expelled in his 4th year. You need to see how my father cried like a baby that day.
This is serious.
Oh, you see what I'm talking about? And instead of him to calm down and bring his head home to see if my father would forgive and accept him and help him, he's still being obstinate and useless.
Do you know, I am suspecting, even if your father ends up settling that guy, he might end up not even making anything out of it.
Making out of what? That boy is useless. He doesn't have any ambition. He doesn't want to help himself. And you are laughing. You think it's funny. Okay.
You're becoming too personal with this thing.
I am not personal. I'm just bothered because this boy is my blood brother. Why would someone live this kind of life? Ogini.
Agozie, I know he's your father and he's ought to settle you. But Bikono, take it easy on him.
No, I will not take it easy. Do you know why? I know Papa very well. If you take it easy with Papa, he will not settle me. What is he waiting for? No, tell me, what is he waiting for? Let him settle me now.
Agozie, you just have to be careful with the way you handle this matter. The way I'm seeing it, you cannot handle this matter alone.
What do you suggest I do? Huh?
Just tell your mother to go and meet the kingsmen. Tell your mother.
Okay. So I should run to our kingsmen like a baby and cry and beg them to come and ask my own father to settle me. Is that what you're saying? I should go to our kingsmen and beg for my own father to settle me. Hey, hello.
Agozie, I like you as a brother. The only reason I'm concerned is because I love you as a brother.
Hold that your love. Hold that your love. In fact, thank you for loving me. I appreciate. If you love me, tell Papa to settle me. Ojugo miss you.
Mama.
Is there any problem?
No problem. I have just come to see you and Papa.
No.
Jekube. Keije.
No.
No.
But I'm not going to carry
uncomfortable.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Mama, but go to go moto.
Ma fukwana kagi na kideska.
Papa go to go
Hey! Mama, go to go to go moto.
Papa.
When you just left.
I just came to see you and Mama to know how you're doing and to show you how you can.
Come out from there.
Papa,
Ugo. Onwukwifini maji we yi fodo nna gị. Hey! Egwaka. Like father, like son. You are a true son of your father.
Thank you, Papa.
Piano. Japa gozie bia salu nwa moto. Mrapia. Ofu nwa na eme ka nwili. Piano fulia. Piano fulu no moto afu nwa mo.
Mama. There's something in this bag. Yeah, I down.
Ngwan. Piano fulu moto nwa m. Nwa na ego moto afu.
Oh, Mom. Like that.
Ugo.
Papa.
Hey!
Papa.
Is Saul also among the prophets?
Mami like it, why?
Chim goes bay, oh? Hey!
Let me test you.
Who's been on that? But what did he go tell them? How will you come back? You buy clothes for him and Papa. You buy it.
I'll give you some money to get this. Meanwhile, then when you fed dinner. Akamoto back.
Jealousy. Biachekube, you go and call my tailor.
I said I will give you the money now. Mana Mama, you want to make the dress already?
Yes, sir. And I check. Dimu we fitting. Beautiful. Dimu some. Ogini. 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 What is that?
Ogini.
Nine. Papa, Biko. Oh dear. Hey, oh dear. Papa, Hey, Papa. I don't know. We just know. Hey, Biko. Talk to me. Oh, Mama.
Let me know what happened. Go back to the house.
Doctor, how is my father?
Your father is fine. Can I see you briefly?
Mom, I'll be back soon.
Ugochukwu. Yes. I called you out here because you're a man.
Doctor, don't tell me my father is dead.
Just calm down, okay? Your father is not dead. But I'm scared.
You're scared? Scared of what?
He stands a chance to survive, but he needs to be rushed down to Enugu, where he can get proper treatment.
Brother, Ugochukwu came back a few hours ago. They all came out and welcomed him. After a warm reception, they went inside. All of a sudden, we started hearing voices. We ran out to see Ugochukwu and Chekube, who heard Papa, who appeared dead. Yes.
So what happened?
Mama asked them, but they refused to tell us.
What could the problem be then?
I don't know. But before Ugochukwu drove out, I heard his mother saying that Papa slumped.
Slumped?
Yes.
Anybody can faint now. It's none of my business.
Hey. Agozi, are you the one saying this?
Wait, Papa slumped.
Yes.
Papa? That man must not die until he settles me. That man must not die until he settles me. That man will not die until he settles me.
You're right.
What do you see? Adam, where is he? I know. What do you see? Papa, where is Papa?
I go see Papa is still in the theater. The doctor just invited Ugochukwu to our office.
What is it?
What happened?
Doctor said he needs to be transferred to Federal Medical Center in Enugu immediately.
Hi.
Mama, Fedra, doctor,
Yes.
where is my father?
Your father is fine.
I want to see him.
I just told your brother what to do, okay? Just calm down.
Can't I see him?
No.
What do you miss?
Okay?
What do you miss?
I want to go to the hospital.
Your mother said you should stay at home. I don't think it's wise if everybody goes to the hospital. Not to worry. Your father will be fine. Not to worry, okay? Sorry.
Is that not Ijoma?
Madam. What? What's up? You are welcome.
You're welcome. Madam, why are you crying? When did you return?
It's not an hour before I heard your father took her.
That was how we saw it this afternoon. Before they took him to the hospital.
It's okay.
What's happening?
Calm down. Calm down, okay? Your daddy will be fine. But from the test results, his kidney is badly infected. So we'll have to place him on dialysis.
Kidney. Doctor, please, I beg you. Are you sure he'll be fine after dialysis?
By the special grace of God, he will.
Pray nothing happens to our father. Just pray nothing happens to our father.
Doctor, please, pay him no attention. I beg you in God's name. Do all you can to make sure my father gets back to his feet. I beg you.
I will do that. I will do everything within my power. I will. But there is a special fee on that.
Money is not the issue here. My father's life is more important to me, please. Anything you can, just make sure he's fine. We can run around and raise the money, Biko.
Alright, if that's the case, let's start up immediately. Just pay to the cashier.
Okay, thank you. Because what was the meaning of that?
Just pray. Just pray nothing happens to our father.
Meaning what?
Stop pretending. Because you are answerable to our father's sickness.
Are you mad?
Agozie. Agozie.
Don't gozie me. You know what your son did. You know. He's a ritualist.
If you call my name again, I'm going to deal with you. Will you stop calling my name?
Did you hear your son?
Please, this is not time for this. I beg you.
No, don't tell me it's enough. You heard him.
Did you hear your son?
Just keep going like this until you push me to the wall and then you'll see how I'll react.
Mama, I'm going to go miss. This man is a ritualist.
Yeah, Julian.
To get a Julie.
He's a ritualist.
What is that? Okay, here.
Papa.
Oham, you are welcome. Now you're on Igbo. Kedeke me. I do pray loud. Ada.
Papa. Naija, how Dikeh no.
Ezigbo mmadụ. Kedu?
Ọ dị mma, sir.
Please bring one chair for me.
Okay.
Hey.
Kedu kunu?
Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, gini na-eme. Kedu ife na-eme? Have you heard from these people? I mean, Anichebe's family.
Yes. That's exactly what I was thinking before you came. I called Ugochukwu and he told me that Anichebe's condition is still unchanged.
Hi. Now, Yoni, what kind of sickness is this?
I don't know. I don't know. See, I was thinking that you should go to Enugu with Jidofo. Two of you should go to Enugu tomorrow. You and Jidofo should go to Enugu tomorrow. And if Anichebe is not responding to treatment, you bring him home. Let us try alternative medicine.
That's a good idea. I mean, in fact, I'm confused. I don't know what this sickness is turning into. Huh?
Nwajuto, if anyone asks you now why you are crying, what would you say? I really don't know why you are shedding tears. Your father is not dead.
I have a feeling that my father is dead.
God forbid. Hey, shh, don't say that. Don't say it. Your father is not dead. I know. It's okay. him. Your father is not dead. I know that. I have a feeling. Eh? Hey.
Go to Kubiko. Nah, please take it easy. Go. Leave him. Take it easy. Excuse me. Doctor, thank you. Biko.
No, wake up. Wake up. Nine. Wake up. You see? You have killed him.
You never have peace in your life.
This boy never make you, Mama.
Calm down. I say calm down. This is a hospital for crying out loud.
Okay, I'm down.
We have other patients here, okay? Now listen. All you need to do is this. You better put your heads together with your family and your elders. So you take your father to the mortuary.
No, doctor. My father is a titled man. He will not go to any mortuary. I will take him to the village and bury him myself. Or if you will never have this.
Calm down, okay?
Now your heart. Come, thank God you are here. Now it's number. Now, Dikeh. Ugochukwu has killed our father.
Ugochukwu did what?
You people should listen. Nobody will take my father to any mortuary. I have my reasons, so understand me.
Elders, I don't know why you're listening to this lunatic. Because as far as I'm concerned, I'm going in there to pay for the mortuary bill.
Elders, Ugochukwu wants to take our father to the mortuary so that he will have a chance to perform his rituals. If he claims to be innocent, why don't we take our father to the village and bury him? He's a titled man.
Agozie! Huh? Do you realize the implication of this you are saying now?
Yes!
Nani, can you stop listening to this madman? Let's do what we have to do.
Bia, Agozie na pudala. I thought you were joking the first time you said this thing.
It is you that is joking. Listen, my God will judge all of you.
Agozie, do not dare me. Do not dare me.
It's okay, calm down.
Don't ask me to calm down, because if he pushes me to the wall, I'm going to do something everybody will shiver at.
I swear it doesn't matter. If you touch me, if you touch me, I will burn down this hospital. You're a ritualist, so you're going to go. No, calm down, Giri. My father.
Agozie, you and Ugochukwu, this is not the right time for this. Now, both of you, keep quiet.
Hello? Brother Ugochukwu? Okay. Tatazi. Today. Brother Ugochukwu, keka gise me makuchi na canopy kwanon. Okay. I'm going to make arrangements now. Let me see what I can do about it. Okay, yes, I will call them. Like, how many canopies should we get? Like 3 or 4. Okay. And the chairs. Okay. Let me start going. Let me. I will do that. Okay, bye.
What is it? Hurry.
What happened? Flat tire.
Hurry.
Okay.
Flat tire. Hurry. Change.
Flat tire.
Until wait.
What is the meaning of this? Huh? Can you feel the Ifa?
I don't know. Or does it mean Anichebe doesn't want to come back home?
No, nah, you're no. Time we can end on it.
Yeah.
I believe it's a minor fault. As soon as the vehicle is repaired, the cops will be here. Huh?
Nah, you are right.
I hope so. Let's hope so. Oh.
Why don't Ugochukwu look for a better vehicle to bring Papa back home?
What did you You don't have to pour blames on anyone right now. I think Ugochukwu didn't do that on purpose. I thought maybe he felt the car was in order. Please don't say that again, okay?
What is it again?
Their driver, again.
I don't know what it is. What do you mean by don't? What sort of nonsense is this?
It's not my fault.
Is it my own fault?
Whose fault is it?
Agosia is okay.
Don't tell me it's okay. Huh?
It's okay now. Let's know the next thing to do. Let us think of what to do. If I have a femba.
No, are we going to sleep here?
Okay, do something. Let's
Can you
sleep.
take me to Amici here?
I'm again.
To do what? Let's go and bring mechanic.
Mawana.
Anichebe Dioda. Woki kamuru n'agha. Kifo joy meregi. Oni chosi n'obodo gi chosi na mba.
Mama, it's okay now. He will go. It's okay. It's okay, Mama.
He must surely go home. Don't worry.
You. Papa must go home. Papa must go home.
I don't know. And the chopper must surely go home.
Why? I don't know if I can.
Anichebe Dioda. Woki kamuru n'agha. Kedu ife mi wengi? Ichozi lola gị na chọrọ ịtọ na mba.
Onye bụ mechanic. Ka dị ka onye alụ, ọ makwa alụ. Na ihe mebe.
Linda na makwa alụ.
Go and start the engine. Start the engine now.
It's not starting.
Calm down.
It's not coming on.
Did you check the battery?
Check it now, check it.
My friend, talk now. What is the problem?
This thing no be mechanical fault.
Ome.
Then what is it?
What could it be if not a mechanical fault?
This thing be like spiritual problem, Oga. I don't check everything in this motor, both tops, gasket, and everywhere. This thing no be mechanical fault.
Off here.
I don't go. I don't take elders. I said it. I said it. Ritualist. Release our father, let him go. Release our father, let him go.
May God punish you there.
Thunder fire you on your
way.
Tell your son.
Whenever this boy is let him go.
Respect the man. My father must go home. My father must go home. Let him go. Ritualist. Release our father, let him go. Release our father, let him go. Release our father, let him go. It's okay now. Release our father. My father must go. Let's go be sick. It's okay. Release our father, let him go.
Hello? Hello, sir. Sir, my vehicle, my motor broke down along the road. Yes, sir. After I meet you. Yes, along the road. Send another motor to come and meet me.
Better.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Another motor is coming.
Better.
Another motor is coming.
Better. Tell your blood money son to release our father. Tell him to release our father. My father must go home.
You will come.
Yeah.
Chioma, you're just coming.
Yes, so are they back?
For where? They say their motor spoiled on the road since morning.
If their motor spoiled, let them bring another one now if they cannot repair that one.
That is exactly what everybody is saying.
And where are you going?
My dear, I've been here since morning. I want to rush down to my house. Even if it's water, let me take. I'm coming back. No.
Okay, let me be going there now.
Okay, just
try and come back quick and wait.
Please, I'm sorry.
All you are saying now makes no difference. Everything you are saying here will not bring Papa back. Because we tried everything we could. I personally came to you. I walked up to you. I pleaded with you. I wanted to make peace between you and my mother. But you wouldn't listen to anybody. You wouldn't budge. Now Papa is dead and gone. All thanks to the kind of upbringing you gave Agozie. Thank you very much.